In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to play Terraria multiplayer on mobile and PC. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I'm running Terraria on my computer, and if I head over to the multiplayer function, I have three options. Join via IP, which allows me to select one of my characters and join using an IP address. I can join via Steam, which of course will not help for the mobile version, or I can host and play. Host and play, of course, will host it only for my friends in Steam. As you can see, it doesn't give me the option to pick my IP address so people can join using my IP. So the only possible way that we would be able to play with mobile players would be to host a server on our computers and have them join us using the same server IP address. However, as of today, the latest version of Terraria does not officially support crossplay. So even if you made and hosted a server on your computer so other people could join using your IP address, they wouldn't be able to because crossplay is not supported between the PC and mobile versions of Terraria as of today. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to play Terraria in PC and mobile crossplay multiplayer. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.